Hey you all, so yeah, it's about that time where I gotta go get my clothes washed. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Say hi, Scooter.
Hi.
There's my baby, and then there's Scooter Man. Say hi. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to let them be in like my vlogs a little more, like just because they like Scooter likes being on camera. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're on our way to go wash clothes. So come along with us. First, I gotta make a pit stop to Family Dollar to get some detergent because I accidentally left my detergent in my car, and my car is in the shop right now, and they are not open. So it's not like I can just go up there and be like, hey, gotta go get this out the trunk. So I feel so silly. So yeah, going to Family Dollar. I'm gonna get some diapers and wipes and just some detergent and fabric softener, and then head to the laundromat and hopefully it ain't jumping and let's just get this over with because I absolutely hate laundry day. If you know, you know. I don't know if any other mothers out there agree, but yes, I absolutely hate laundry day. Period. So, can talk to y'all later. Peace.
That's good.
Ma, say hi. Hi.
Hey y'all, so I'm back. Real quick, I just wanted to take the time to ask y'all if you guys are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, can y'all please stop what y'all doing and take the time and just push the subscribe button that's on my page. My page name is Maddie VTV, MADDIVI TV, and just click on it and just a little support goes a long way because the more people I have, more exposure I get, and the more like y'all. It's been a couple years since I've done my content, so I know I gotta get it out the mud again. I know it's not gonna be as as easy as it was for me to gain my followers as it was before. I'm going to continue to be consistent this time. I'm not going to give up no matter the days that I'm having. I'm just going to let y'all know what it is and what it ain't. And yeah, so I just thought I'd add that in. Just please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If not, go ahead and follow me on my pages that I have on Facebook because that's where I mainly am at. So yeah, I just appreciate the support that I do have now, and I appreciate the future support that you guys give me. So again, thank you. Peace.
Rich ass bitch from the west side, only said bitch like me and his dream. Really thought he was gon' get some. Nigga, please get on knees. I got these hoes mad as hell. I miss the little machine. Ain't no stressing about no nigga. These niggas worry about me. Kitty good.
Hey y'all, so it's currently 2:45 a.m. and I'm just now getting off work. I just did 12 hours today, got me a little overtime in, and I'm tired as fuck. I gotta go to the gas station. So I'm just grinding right now. I got so much things to take care of. I want to buy a house. I want to get a new car. I gotta get my car fixed. I'm trying to just build a better life for myself and my kids, and I'm just like, I'm done. But I just wanted to check in with y'all and just let y'all tomorrow. So as always, y'all know I fuck with y'all and I love y'all. Make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel at Maddie B TV. It's free, so just like support your girl. Okay, thank ya. Peace.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah. Yeah, so y'all, I'm looking really crazy. So that's why I'm not putting my whole face in the camera. I literally just got done taking Mustafa to an appointment. Turn that down. But I'm about to get the baby in the house because he cutting the fuck up right now. I'm getting ready to go to work. Just got home at 4 o'clock this morning. Had 3 hours of sleep. Now I'm finna turn around, roller set my hair, pick out what to wear today, wash my ass, and try to make myself look like something. I'm gonna try to. I gotta check in with y'all. So yeah, I'll just see y'all when I see y'all. Peace.
Rich ass bitch from the west side, only said bitch like me and his dream. Really thought he was gon' get some. Nigga, please get on knees. I got these hoes mad as hell. I miss the little machine. Ain't no stressing about no nigga. These niggas worry about me. Kitty good. This way.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Maddie B. Yes, I'm currently on my way to work, so that's what's going on right now. Literally, I had to run out of the house. I had to order me some food real quick. It was just so much going on, and then I'm also gonna stay over for work today. But this time I got like a good amount of sleep, and I'm gonna make sure that I get a good amount of sleep tomorrow, so that because this person in front of me is really walking their fucking car, and it's starting to really piss me the fuck off. Because bitch, get in the slow lane. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna stay over today, and so that it can be worth my while. I did 4 hours the other night, so basically 12 hours, and I'm gonna stay over another 4 hours tonight, so that it can equal up to being like a whole day worked of extra overtime, and because we're off for Juneteenth, so that's the vibes. That's what's going on right now. It's ridiculous. Like y'all don't move this goddamn car. Like y'all don't swing that car and let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I ain't got all motherfucking day. And you know what? I noticed is like when you're rushing, everybody else is just going extra slow. Have y'all ever had that moment? Like, damn, when I need to get somewhere, it's like a whole bunch of motherfuckers just be like, yeah, let me get in this bitch way. Let me slow down. Let me walk my motherfucking car because she trying to get somewhere and I don't give a fuck. Type shit. And I ain't even the type of person that be driving and being like a bully. Like when I'm driving, so it's like I just be feeling like people just so inconsiderate. Like if you want to drive slow or something wrong with your car, try to stay in the slow lane. But anyway, I know I be ranting. You know how I do. Hi, my loves. So it's your girl, Maddie B. It's Thursday. I'm back. I'm always on my way to work. One thing about it, I be going to work. But I'm looking rough as fuck today. I stayed over last night. I did another 12-hour shift so I can make it worth my while. That reminds me, I got to make sure that our group leader, that he paid me because it be some rumors going around that he ain't paying people and they be working their ass off, staying over. You know, be putting in their hours and stuff. I'm sorry I'm a little shaky. Because I'm driving in this highway. It gets a little bumpy after a while. But I'm just checking in with y'all as always. It's the last day of the week for us because, you know, tomorrow is Juneteenth. So shout out to us. Shout out to all the black folks. But yeah, so we don't have to work tomorrow because of Juneteenth. We don't have to be working until Monday. I see y'all. I love y'all. Y'all know I fuck with y'all. See you later. What's good, y'all? Yes, I look like a piece of crap today, per usual. Say hey, baby. Say hi. 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 But I had to put my phone down because I don't know if I just got done dropping off my oldest son, Mustafa, to his granny house. Currently on my way back to the crib with my little one. And yeah, I'm not even gonna go that way because I ain't got time for them motherfuckers. Yes, I be up in the ghetto and they don't give a damn. They be all out in the middle of the street drinking and they don't like to get out nobody's way. And so I just go the other way because I'm not gonna be dealing with that drunk asses getting mad because I'm trying to get through. Like, what type of shit is that? I don't have time for that. So yeah, I'm gonna take my ass. I'm just gonna go the other way. I'm not gonna choose violence today. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much what's going on. I'm gonna sit in this driveway, eat good.
High volume.